Hello folks, today we're going to make a quick video on how to mix a very popular color called Tiffany Blue or Robin's Egg Blue. They're basically the same mixture, and years ago I was asked at a job interview if I could mix Tiffany Blue, and I said sure. It's yellow ochre, phthalo blue, phthalo green, raw umber green shade, and black. And the woman would just looked at me and she said, no, I meant, there's the paint over there. Can you mix it? And so I just grabbed those colors and I mixed it. And let's just say I got that job immediately because I was practicing mixing colors in my head. So real quickly, we're going to go over the palette of white, yellow ochre, Prussian blue, phthalo green, raw umber green shade, and black. And those are the mixtures for Tiffany Blue. Initially, I want to start out with white, and I just want to show you how close you can get with two colors. White and phthalo green mixed together come extremely close, just right there on their own. Just right there, just white and phthalo green will give you a color very close to Tiffany Blue with very little effort. You add a tiny bit of Prussian blue to that. And then a little bit of yellow ochre to make the Prussian blue a little bit more of a grade green. I'm gonna add a little bit of white to it. And you're almost there. And then all you need is just a touch of black. I didn't really use the raw umber green shade. I don't find it necessary because I'm there. I mean, it's the color. It's the color we're all looking for. Sometimes with Robin's Egg, you may want to add a little bit more blue to it, but there's your color. And then for the shadow side, it's just more of the same. So if I want to make the shadow side of that color, I add a little bit more phthalo green, a little bit more Prussian blue, a touch of black to reduce the intensity a bit. And then here I might add a touch of that raw umber green shade just to gray down. And look at how that, for the shadow, you definitely could use a little raw umber green shade for the shadow side of Tiffany